When organic material is in the landfill, it decomposes anaerobically and releases a potent greenhouse gas, methane gas, which is 84 times more potent than carbon dioxide.
Composting is a solution for food waste. Composting aerobically breaks down food waste, creating no methane emissions, and soil treated with compost is able to support biodiverse soil ecosystems, which foster resilient landscapes that can filter and absorb water and create more abundant and nutritional food. And lastly, healthy soil can be a carbon sink. On average, 1 pound of food waste can sequester a half a pound of carbon from the environment.
However, on-campus compost is being contaminated. Boulder and CU have made big strides since the early 2000s to bring composting options to the public, although due to immense amounts of petroleum plastic contamination, public compost bins are being sent to the landfill as of this spring 2023. The compost collection spots are now labeled as landfill.
So we asked ourselves, how can we educate our peers about the significance of composting, and how can we protect the compost from contamination?
Through laser cutting, soldering, 3D printing, and planting, we are here to present to you Conscious Composting, a living compost collection lid and an Arduino metric system that converts the weight of food waste placed in the bin to the amount of carbon sequestered. These two components are designed to create a more conscious composting experience at the university's waste stations.
The living and edible sprouts incorporated in the lid were chosen because of their short roots, and they are there to represent the health and life that composting creates. Instead of just throwing your food waste into a hole, we have transformed this experience into an interaction with living beings and positive feedback for your contribution to sequestering carbon.